Hi guys, the GT Omega art monitor stand, a single monitor stand has arrived. It is a single frame monitor stand. I got this on Amazon for £65. It's got wheels, it's quite adjustable, the height up and down. And it's on wheels and it slides in and out in between the prime cockpit I have. I thought I'd share this with you guys. It's quite cheap and reasonable for a monitor stand, and it's quite cheaper than the ones you get for the actual prime rig monitor stand, which is quite very expensive. I didn't really want to pay, I don't know what they are, over 100, 140, 150 pound. So for £65 I thought that was a great deal. I actually looked on GT Omega's website. This was the monitor stand was 79, so I saved myself a little bit more money as well. 65 quid on Amazon. So I thought that was a good deal. So I got it. Yeah, this is a 34-inch curve monitor, a BenQ, and it fits in there quite nicely. I thought I'd just share this with you guys, just in case you're looking for a monitor stand and don't want to pay quite a fortune for it on GT Omega. So just let you know, guys. Have a good day. Take care. Over and out.